Right now, on YouTube, a complete stranger, someone who has never watched a single one of your videos, never subscribed, never interacted with your channel once, can tag your name in a comment. A spam thread, a harassment post, an offensive video description, and YouTube links your profile directly to it. That setting is on by default, and most people have no idea it exists. Here is what this setting actually does. YouTube has a feature called Allow Users to Mention Me. When it is enabled, which it is right now on your account, any YouTube user can type your channel handle anywhere on the platform. Comments, community posts, video titles, video descriptions. Your profile gets tagged and linked directly to it. Doesn't matter if they're subscribed. Doesn't matter if you've ever interacted with them. Doesn't matter what they're saying. And here's the part that makes it worse. Every time someone tags you, YouTube sends a notification straight to your inbox, sitting right there under your Mentions tab. Most people have never even opened that tab. Go check yours right now. You might be surprised by what is already sitting in there. Real quick, if you want a complete checklist of every hidden privacy, security, and performance setting you need to lock down on your phone and your apps right now, I put together a completely free mobile shield guide. Every setting, step by step, no fluff. Grab it from the link at the top of the description so your accounts stop working against you. All right, back to it. Grab your phone and open the YouTube app right now. Tap your profile picture, or the U tab, in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the gear icon in the top right. That drops you straight into settings. Tap Privacy. Right there, allow users to mention me. It is toggled on. Turn it off. That is it. Your channel name is no longer available for anyone to attach to anything without your permission. From this point forward, you are completely out of that equation. And just so you know, this is a single global toggle. It is either on for everyone or off for everyone. There is no per-person whitelist. So if you want to stay protected, it stays off. Here is the part people underestimate. This is not just about spam. Coordinated harassment on YouTube works exactly like this. A group floods comment sections with offensive content and tags other channels into it, channels that had nothing to do with any of it. Your name is now sitting inside that thread. People click your profile. They form an opinion before they have watched a single second of your work. You don't get a warning. It just happens. One toggle. That is all it takes to make sure it never happens to you. Drop a comment below. Was this setting turned on when you checked? Because for most of you, it absolutely was. Let me know. Now, here is something that should genuinely concern you. If you are still shopping on your phone without changing these next settings, your card details, your home address, and your saved payment info are sitting completely exposed right now, and you are handing them over every single time you hit checkout. Click the video on your screen. Stop shopping until you change these 5 Android settings. I am going to walk you through every single one of them, step by step, before your next purchase costs you more than you bargained for. Click right there, make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I will see you in that video.